So today I'm going to show you a feature that LinkedIn released last year, or rather rolled out, because LinkedIn usually rolls out all their features, is the ability to switch from light mode to dark mode. So, LinkedIn, I think, was launched in 2003, and it was one of the last maybe social media platforms. Again, don't quote me, might be wrong. I'm assuming they were one of the last, or maybe I read it somewhere, they were one of the last social media platforms to roll out dark mode. Anyway, whatever, whether they're the last or not, today I'm going to show you how you can switch from light mode to dark mode. So you go to your LinkedIn homepage, and you click on the me in the top right hand corner, and you click on, in the drop down box, select settings and privacy, however you pronounce it. And under settings, you see account preferences on the left, and it's already pulled up another menu on the right. And the second one after profile or below profile information is display. It says display as dark mode. Okay. And sorry, it was a little distracting. I wanted to make sure I was recording this. So I click on dark mode and then choose how your LinkedIn experience looks for this device. And so I'm going to switch from light mode to dark mode, and you can see what it looks like. That's all I need to do. Let's see if I can go back to my feed. Look, it's going to change. Let me try. Yeah, so you can see I had to refresh it. So everything's in dark, it's easier on the eyes. And I also heard when you're doing LinkedIn Live, if you have it in dark mode, the video stands out so much better. But again, it depends on what, how people are watching it on their LinkedIn profiles, right? I might have it in dark mode, but someone else might have it in light mode. And you can also switch the display on your cell phones, I believe on both iOS and Android. All right, so that's my quick tip for today. Let me know if you plan to switch to dark mode, or if you already have it in dark mode, and whether you prefer the light mode or the dark mode. And with that, I'll say goodbye and see you soon at when I share my next LinkedIn tip.